If you're using Google Docs to build your resume, there are a few formatting tips that can make a huge difference in how professional it looks. Start by selecting a clean modern font like Arial, Calibri, or Roboto. Avoid anything too styles. Keep your font size between 10 and 12 points for readability, and use bold text sparingly, mainly for selection headers or job titles. Next, make sure your resume is structured with clear sections like contact information, experience, education, and skills. You can use a table feature in Google Docs to line up information neatly, then remove the border so it doesn't look like a table at all. This helps with alignment. It gives you layout, a cleaner appearance. Use bullet points to list your achievements under each role and try to start each one with a strong action verb. Keep spacing consistent between lines and section, and you can use the line spacing setting to set exact spacing and avoid things like uneven. Also, be sure to left align your text. Centered resumes often look less professional. Finally, save your resume as a PDF before sending it out to keep the formatting locked in. Google Docs makes it easy. Just go to File and then Download and choose PDF format. If this helped you clean up your resume, follow for more quick and practical tips just like this.